Go ahead.
I'm going to start my in-cab inspection. I like to start at my floorboard, make sure there's no holes for fumes to come in from the outside. There's no oil or grease that would cause me to slip and fall. And there's nothing underneath my seats that might roll out and obstruct my driving. My seats are securely secured to my floorboard, and they're in good condition, not ripped or torn, along with my seat belts. They're also not ripped or torn, and they retract and they buckle and unbuckle in good condition. On my floorboard, I have a red box. It is secured to my floorboard. Inside, I have 3 working triangles. They are red and orange in color. Underneath my seat, I have a fire extinguisher. It's also secured in my truck. It's not going to move around. The pin is in place and it's fully charged in case I need it. Over here, I have a first aid kit. It's also secured to my vehicle. It is in a closed and locked position. Inside, it's fully stocked and it's there in case I need that. Moving on, back here, I have my hose filter. It is secured to the back wall of my truck and it's there in case I need it. Moving up, I have my windows. All my windows are not cracked. They're not broken. There's no legal stickers on it, and all the seals around them are in good condition, not damaged or leaking. Moving on, I have my coat hook. It is secured to my vehicle with its screw, and it's there in case I need it. My headliner is secure with all of its fasteners, and it's not hanging down and obstructing my driving. My lights, they're not cracked, they're not broken. They turn on and off. My sun visors, they go down, they go back up. They're secured to my truck in good condition. My spotlights, they turn on, they turn off. Would you like me to check those? They're there in case I need them. Down here, I have my dashboard. It is secured to my vehicle, not damaged, and there's nothing on top of it that might fall down and obstruct my driving. From there, I'm going to open my door. My door opens, closes, my windows roll up, they roll down, my wing window opens and closes, and my mirror, it's adjusted to me, it's not cracked, it's not broken, no legal stickers, and the bracket holding it is metal, so it's not bent, cracked, or damaged, in good condition. To perform the rest of my truck, I need to start my vehicle. I will perform a safe start. My brakes are out, my truck is in neutral, cover my service brake, and start my key. First thing I'm looking at is making sure there's no warning lights turning on, telling me there's something wrong with my vehicle. I'm also listening for any whistling or pinging coming from my motor or outside of my vehicle. First thing I like to start off with is my beacon light. The indicator turns on, tells me the beacon light is on. Indicator turns off, telling me it's off. Would you like me to check it? Up here I have a 3-way switch. Left indicator turns on, right indicator turns on, along with my hazards. Indicators tell me they're on. Would you like me to check those? Moving on to my dash, I have my water temperature. Should be between 180 and 210. My oil pressure should be between 20 and 60. My tach meter is clean, and it rises and falls when I step on my accelerator. My fuel gauge is telling me I have enough fuel for the day. My voltmeters tell me I have enough volts. It should be between 12 and 14. And my air tanks, or my air pressure gauges, along with my speedometer, are all clean and visible. My hours and miles, if I write them down in my logbook in the morning and at the end of my shift, I can make sure that they're counting. My steering wheel has no oil or grease on it, caused me to slip when using it. I should have no more than 2 inches of play on a 20-inch diameter wheel. My horn works, it's in good condition. My handbrake engages and disengages, and it is properly labeled. Moving on, I have my windshield wipers. They turn on and the fluid comes out. My light switch turns on, my dimmer switch works, and with my light switch on, I can activate my high beams. Indicator turns on, it turns off. Would you like me to check that? Moving on, I have my brakes, trailer, and my parking brake. They are the right color and shape, and they're properly labeled. Red octagon for my trailer, yellow diamond for my parking brake, and they engage and disengage. With my heater on, set to defrost, I have hot air blowing up towards my window. And if I pull on my floor vent, I have hot air blowing down towards my feet. My radio is secured to my vehicle. It's not damaged, and it turns on and off in case I need it. My electrical plug is there in case I need to charge any of my devices. I have extra fuses and grommets for my glide hands in case I need them, and they're secure to my truck. If I can cycle through my gears, push them, I can make sure all my gears are cycling through. If I put it on reverse, I can hear my warning lamp. I can also cycle through my pedals, make sure that they're not sticking. The pedals are not damaged or broken or ripped, and there's no oil or grease on them, which would cause me to slip when using them. That completes my in-cab inspection.